Want to listen to your favorite Netflix show or movie as if it were a podcast? You're in luck. I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to listen to Netflix content on iPhone. Now let's get started. To begin, open the Netflix app and start playing the show or movie you'd like to listen to. Once it has begun playing, lock your device's screen. Then tap the screen to turn it back on, and tap the play button to resume playing the audio. You can easily control playback with the controls on your lock screen this way as well. That's all it takes to listen to Netflix shows and movies in audio-only playback on iOS. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.